Assalamualaikum dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take I.C.T class for the students of class 6 on the topic of chapter 5, short question 1, 2, 3. I am repeating. Today our topic is chapter 5, short question 1, 2, 3. Students, this is our 10th lecture and 9th homework. I'm repeating, this is our 10th lecture and 9th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about short question 1, 2, 3 from chapter 5 and you have to pick the answers in your notebook. So let's begin. Chapter 5, short question. Our first question is, explain about web browser and search engine. Okay, we can write the answer by writing web browser. Browser is the name of special application software used for browsing the website. If we think internet is an imaginary world, websites are the information stores of that imaginary world. At this moment, largely used browsers are Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox, Google, Chrome, Opera, Safari, etc. Now we'll learn about search engine. Search engine is that special application software which is used to collect information from internet. At this moment, some worldwide popular search engines are Google, http www.google.com, Yahoo, http www.yahoo.com. Okay, now come to question number 2. Write down about internet. I'm repeating, the question is write down about internet. Answer: Internet is the worldwide computers network. The word internet originated from the word interconnected network. I'm repeating, the word internet originated from the word interconnected network. Internet was first used in 1969 with 4 computers. Using internet, many computers can interchange information within few seconds. In short, internet is the network of networks. Okay, now we'll discuss about question number 3 and the question is draw a network using router, switch and computer. I'm repeating the question, draw a network using router, switch and computer. Okay, students, the answer is a network with the combination of router, switch and computer is given below. Students, I'm not good at drawing, but I tried my level best to draw this and I hope you can understand. Okay, I'm explaining now the picture. Here I've drawn some computers and we connected with all computers by using router and switch. Okay, I'm showing you a picture from our book, that means from our Information and Communication Technology book. Open page number, go to chapter 5 and open page number 67. Students, from this picture you can see this. Here in this book we find 5 computers in both sides, but in this picture I have drawn only 3. It's your wish, you can draw here 4 or 5 or many, but just think that the concept is clear. And here I have drawn a router and in both sides switch. So with this router and switch we can connect all computers together. So I hope you can understand and you are able to draw the picture by using router, switch and computer. So students, that's for our answer of question 3. And this question, that means question number 3 will be your homework. I'm repeating, your homework will be short question 3. The question is draw a network using router, switch and computer. And students, don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. A lecture number is 10 and homework number is 9. And the submission date will be the date of Sunday, because on every Sunday you have to submit your SW copies. Students, do your homework in your SW copy. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You need to be serious, because you will get your CT, diary and SP marks on the basis of the submission of your SW copies. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamualaikum.